What is going on, guys? It is a rainy Wednesday. No, Thursday. Today's not Thursday. It's Wednesday. I am on my way to go to Ford to pick up some diff fluid because we are swapping out the stock differential stamped steel cover for this. Let's see if I can open it. This ARB bad boy right here. Getting that installed today and heading over to my buddy Trevor's shop to get that done. And yeah, I'm gonna cover some questions and some video of the install to show you guys what the ARB differential cover looks like on my rig, and kind of talk about it a little bit. It's not gonna, you know, give you more power, or it's not gonna it's basically what it's designed to do is it's designed to really kind of take a beating on the trail. If I back up onto a rock or just kind of slide into something and hit the rear diff, it's not going to break the cover, and basically if I break the cover, it's gonna leak all the diff fluid out, and it's gonna be a really bad time. So I thought to pick it up. It's not a very expensive mod. The diff cover is about $180, and then you got to pay for the fluid to refill the diff and then swap it over. So it's not a ton of money, not a ton of investment, but it's a good thing to have for, you know, your truck if you plan on going on you know, any type of trails where there could be issues with hitting something. Now, most of the Georgia trails are not very dangerous. However, we plan on traveling outside of Georgia, like we plan on going to Arizona this year. So I want the truck kind of ready to be able to withstand any type of hits on the underside. So kind of this is the first step, right? And this week I'm picking up and ordering rock sliders for the side of the cab on the truck. So if you're not familiar with rock sliders, here's what they look like from the bottom corner view, and basically they bolt to the frame and not the cab of the truck, which is a very important thing. Although most sliders that do bolt to the cab are still okay, the optimal choice is having them bolted to the frame. So with that being said, once the rock sliders get on and the diff cover is on, the biggest things that I want to get done and completed with the truck is basically the armor underneath. So the front cover and the transfer case cover, and hopefully a rear diff cover to guard the front. So super excited, you know, it's one step at a time. So I'm gonna swing by Ford to pick up the fluid, and then I will be at Trevor's shop. Yeah.
That's actually pretty darn dirty for the least amount of miles this thing's had.
That's what I was wondering. I'm wondering if that plug, that's magnetized, I'm wondering how much metal's in there.
That's,
is it really?
You said it's locking though, right?
Yeah.
It could just be because of the clutches. That may be why it's that dirty.
Okay. I read somewhere that people recommend to change out the fluid, like, because there's initial break-in on it.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Good?
All right, good. Your hands are warm. I had the AC blasted.
You had the AC blasted? Ooh. Look at that.
Not bad.
Not bad?
Actually, I don't see really any at all, to be honest with you.
I see a lot of metal in here.
And it looks like it's wearing good so far.
Nice.
But it is pretty dirty already, but like I said, that could just be because of the limited slip clutches.
That is interesting. Is the fluid fairly clear stock?
Yeah, when it new, I guess we'll see what the Mopar stuff is, but typically it's like a, almost looks like honey. It's kind of a clearish brown. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
It's like magic.
Yeah.
It smells a lot better than the diff.
Oh, it's an electronic locker.
E-locker, yep. So I guess it shuts off after a certain speed.
Well, you can only go a certain speed with the...
Looks good.
It says that it may be necessary to retort after a little bit of time.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We got some more trail rides planned. I got something. I'm taking a buddy out to some trails this Saturday. He got a 2008 or 2010 4Runner bone stock, but it's got a 4x4 with a rear locker. So I'm gonna take him out on some trails, something simple to get him kind of accustomed to it and get him to check it out, see if he likes it. I'm gonna do some exploring to see if I can find some more camp spots, more secluded camping. So we'll figure something out. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.